counts as and you know, you've dressed up this week, haven't you?
Yeah,
Good lad.
good.
Well done. Now then, this week we've got 4 brand new mystery locations, and the sorters are back.
The sorters are back. There's always a sale at DFS.
There's always a sale at DFS. Right, let's take a look at it. Location number 1, we've got a running track, some seats there. That's
interesting.
all we can see. Location number 2
is hard.
That is hard. Massive fields. A little bit of the trees in the background there. Is that like a city in the background or a town?
Looks like it, yeah.
Not sure. Location number 3, that's a wall. Is that like the wall of a prison, do you reckon?
No, it looks like,
Don't know.
looks like a crossroads.
Is that a walled garden?
Walled garden.
Location number 4, well, I can see a sofa, and can I see some golf flags?
Are they golf? Yeah,
Are they? Looks like it. Yes, it looks like it. You can get down to any one of those locations and are registered by 8 o'clock tonight, and you're 18 or over. You're going to be sitting in the best seats in the house on next week's show. All the details are at the website, and you can only enter 1 person per household.
Right, now it's just 2 weeks till the final show of the series, which is coming live from... Well, the final show is coming live from Barcelona, isn't it, which we're very excited about.
For once, everybody in Britain wants to be in Europe.
Is that politics?
Yeah, man.
It's politics.
I know.
Is there nothing this man can't do? Politics. You guessed it though, hang on to your hats, it's time to give away some more cabins on the cruise! 2 weeks time, we're high seas for an incredible series finale live from Britannia, one of the biggest cruise ships in the world.
Courtesy of Beano Cruises, joining us.
You'll sail away on a 2-week Mediterranean holiday, stopping off at ports in France, Italy and Spain. This amazing trip includes cabin accommodation
With your own private balcony.
plus you'll enjoy a spa experience.
Nota.
And receive an exclusive cooking
Nota.
masterclass from top chef Mark O'Hare.
Nota.
Not only that, you'll be a VIP guest for the most exciting episode of Takeaway ever.
Come here.
Fire show comes live from the deck of the ship in Barcelona.
Anchors away! And to give away even more cabins on the cruise this time for everybody's brand new favourite game, this is... That's enough of that. That's enough of that. That's too much fun. That's enough. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, we've got to get on with it. Playing Read My Lips tonight is a lovely young man all the way.
Molly. 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 Hey, come on. Oi, what's the matter? Oi, what's the matter? Hey. Come on. Come on. Come to Mummy. Come on, let's pause it.
You can see yourself in the glass.
No, because she's been in the kitchen with me, ain't she? No, still barking.